Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nilam Azrilluqman bin Jaafar. My matrix number is 296 and 015. Today, I want to show you how I set up my Kafka server. So, first, we need to locate our Kafka folder. Like me, I put it in C drive. So, first open and go to the config folder. So, first of all, we want to set the server properties. So let's just edit in Notepad. So the first thing that you should do is you locate your directory, log directory. You edit it to whatever folder that, whatever drive that you put your Kafka, and then this is most crucial part. Set up in 0.0.0 because all network devices can connect to your server, and for 9093 is my local host. So for this, as a producer, I need to put my IP address here. So it's easy for the consumer to ping my device. So next we go to the Zookeeper, also edit in a Notepad. Okay, so next is also the same. There are, you might wanted to change your directory to C Kafka, and don't forget dash data. Okay, that's all for the setting up the server. Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. It's me again, Nilam. Next, I want to show you before running the Java application. There is two steps that you need to do. The first one is you need to start the Zookeeper server. So let's wait. Okay, server is already started. Next, we need to start our Kafka server. So after both of them is already started, so we can start our producer. Okay, so next open the Java application. In my case, I open in IntelliJ. So the first one, we need to create our topic. So my group's topic is API data. Next, this one is the server that my and my partner need to connect, which is my IP address. In this is our port number. Next, for the API setup, me and my friend use Open Meteor as it is free and so on. So this is the latitude, this and longitude for Berlin. So what my Java application do is, my Java application will send this API, this one, to the Kafka server, so that the consumer will have to first subscribe my Kafka topic, and then he will receive my API data. So let's run my application. Okay, so my message is already sent to the Kafka server, and let's wait for my partner to receive the message. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Akmal Hisyam bin Riza. Number matrix is 288449. So, as for my group Skibidi, I am the consumer. So, as for the consumer, there are only a few steps that we have to do to retrieve messages from the producer. Where the first thing we have to do is we have to start our zookeeper, where the zookeeper is located in our C drive, where it's inside the config. So we just have to run our terminal, and first of all we have to put the command where the zookeeper is in, which is in the C drive /Kafka. So you just have to enter, and as you can see, we are in the Kafka. So now we have to just run the zookeeper. This is the command where somehow we have looked this up, and this is the command to start our zookeeper. So we just hit enter, and it will take a while for, okay, the zookeeper is already running. As you can see, this is the zookeeper. So that's the first step for zookeeper. Next, we just have to run our code, where the consumer code in your IntelliJ. So here is the consumer code where it retrieves that data from the producer. You can see here, this is the IP address where PC1 and PC2 have to be connected to the same IP address in order for this to work. So that, as you can see, this is the IP address and this is the port. 9093 is the port. So basically both of the PCs that we use are connected to the same network. And so we have to do is just run it. Run the class. Run consumer domain. As you can see, subscribe to the topic API data, and I think there's a problem where the producer isn't sending any messages. I think I'm just going to rerun and wait for my producer. Okay, I'm just going to, as you can see, the message has been retrieved from the producer. So we just found out that the producer needs to run again in order for the consumer to retrieve the message. So yeah, that's it.